Pero walang iba kundi ang kanyang 7th birthday. And of course, I know that everyone are excited today to welcome our celebrant. But before that, I would like to invite everyone to please stand para sabay-sabay natin salubungin ng malakas na palakpakan ng ating celebrant. So once again, ang lahat po ng ating bisita ay tatayo sa ating upuan. Ay para i-welcome na natin dito sa harapan ang ating birthday girl. And because of that, huwag na natin patagalin pa together. Mami Cha and Daddy JC, everyone please give a round of applause for our pretty girl, Rome Kasi! One more time, mas malakas at mas masigla! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ayan, everyone, sabay-sabay nga natin isigaw ng malakas. Let's say, Happy Birthday, Kasi!
Happy birthday, Cassie!
Palakpakan naman natin once again ang ating birthday girl. Ayan, thank you so much. Of course, Mami Cha and Daddy JC, samahan niyo lang po kami sa gitna. And of course, para naman po i-bless ang araw na ito, tatawagin ko lang po si Ka Vladi to lead our prayers. So, ang lahat po ay mananatili